In this video tutorial, we'll illustrate the steps involved in connecting your servers as deployment targets within Cycleops. This process is referred to as host registration, and its main focus is to connect your servers with Cycleops. Hosts in Cycleops are used to represent the concept of the target server that is used to apply your application's deployment setup. To do so, it is essential to get SSH access from Cycleops to your server. There are two options to register your host in Cycleops. Run a command from your server's console or fill in the respective form in Cycleops platform. Let's have a look at how you can register your hosts using the command option. To add a new host to your Cycleops account, navigate to the inventory page from the main menu on the left sidebar. Click on the Create Host button. There, you'll see the two options for host registration. Following the command from server option, copy the command by clicking on the copy button. Go to your server's console or SSH connection and paste the copied command. You'll see a confirmation message from Cycleops platform. Wait a few seconds for the registration process to complete. Then, navigate back to the inventory page and find your newly added host in the list. Congratulations! Your host is now successfully registered with Cycleops.